Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how I perform keyword gap analysis with SEMrush and how I turn the result into a relevant topic cluster that you can use you can give to your content writers that they can turn into a relevant content that will drive um, your dream revenue for your brand. And this strategy is relevant for startups and growing brands. I'm going to extract relevant bottom of the funnel keywords and turn them into a well detailed topic cluster, and I use ChatGPT for this process. So straight away, when you go to SEMrush, once you head over to SEMrush, come just click on keyword gap, and for this analysis I'm going to use Wincher as my example. We have entered the domain name of your of your you enter your domain here. So I'm using wincher.com as an example. So you enter your competitors. I told you in my last post, I told you that SEMrush gives you opportunity, provides your top SAP competitors. So we also have, I know their competitors, we have keyword.com as their competitors. I'm going to make this process short because in my last video, I made the explanation detailed. So you enter all your competitors here and you click on compare. So once you click on compare, SEMrush performs the keyword gap analysis. So it gives the result. Then what you do, you scroll down, and what we need here, we need the missing keywords, and we need the untapped keywords. But if you want to start up as possibly as a startup, you just need to start up with something. The main thing you need you need your missing keywords. That is keywords that your competitors are ranking for, but you are yet to target. So all of these keywords, what I do is that I will export them. I will export all of these keywords as an Excel file. Then I export. So what happens is that keyword SEMrush automatically downloads this keyword for me. So what the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to ChatGPT 4. I use ChatGPT 4 for this process. So what you do is that you head over to ChatGPT 4. I have ChatGPT 4 access here, and what you do, I have a prompt that I created a prompt for this process. So I enter my prompt. So without wasting time, here's my prompt I performed. Can you see I wrote here? You're going to speak to ChatGPT as though you are speaking to a human. So I tell ChatGPT I performed the keyword gap analysis with SEMrush, and I exported the data as a CSV. As possibly I used an Excel file for here. And definitely, if you use a CSV file, if you can use Excel as Excel file. Yeah, and you tell ChatGPT you are an SEO expert with 5 years of experience. I want you to turn these keywords exported into an actionable keyword cluster. Now I tell ChatGPT ensure each of has a pillar keyword and cluster keywords. The goal is to ensure I increase visibility and revenue, that which is definitely for your company, for your startup. So you tell ChatGPT, I want you to make the clusters more detailed. Also, I want you to turn the clusters into a downloadable spreadsheet. The columns should include the keyword, pillar keyword, cluster keyword, search intent, average search volume, average keyword difficulty, suggested internal links from you download the link, you copy the link to your blog. Can you see? I copy the link to Wincher's blog. So I want ChatGPT to also suggest internal links from their blog and relevant external links from authoritative sites, but are not their competitors. So what you just do, just click on tell ChatGPT to continue the process, and ChatGPT start up for you. So can you see this? So the next thing is that ChatGPT tells you to upload. Can you see? It looks like the file wasn't found. Please upload the Excel file. So you come over here, then you upload from, because I have downloaded it, you upload from your computer. You upload from your computer from here. So I head over to my downloads. Can you see? I head over to my downloads here, and can you see the latest, the last one I downloaded, which is gap keywords, which is here, and I click on open. So I upload it. Once you upload, It's loading. After I upload, then click on enter. So ChatGPT continues with the process. The first thing ChatGPT does here is to write the code. Can you see? It writes the code. Can you see? This is the result. This is the result. Definitely, if you go to the caption of my post, I'm going to drop the prompt I used for this. So can you see? This is the cluster. Can you see? This is the cluster. So what you just do here right now is to download the cluster. The prompt I use for this process is in the caption for this post. So just you can head over and copy it and use it for your process. So click on download, you download the cluster and you check. Now, in case you download the file and you discover that the keywords are not well detailed, you can come back to ChatGPT. Possibly you found out that ChatGPT didn't add all the keywords. You can call back to ChatGPT and tell I want you to make the keyword clusters more detailed. Can you see? I want you to make the clusters more detailed. Update the result into the spreadsheet. So ChatGPT will go over to this, make the clusters more detailed. Can you see? And it generate the results for you. So once you are done, you click on download the exact keyword clusters, and then you open the file. And can you see? We have 12 keyword 12 topic clusters here. And what we have, ChatGPT provides the pillar. I told you, the pillar keyword, the cluster keywords, the search intent, the average search volume, the keyword difficulty, and also internal links. Can you see? I told ChatGPT to add three internal links. So you can see the first one is here, the second one is here, the third one is here. So for each of the pillar, the topic clusters, we have three internal links to them. So and I told and to build a relevant topic cluster, each of the clusters must link to one another. So we have three extra internal links aside each clusters linking to each other. And you also have to note that all your clusters must link to your pillar page. So, and I also have three external links. I told you it was included in the prompt, and for that. So with this, you can create a structured topic cluster to rank for your relevant keywords. And one thing here is that I created bottom of the funnel keywords, which are the good mind keywords, the keywords that have the money that you want. Can you see? We have keyword rank checker 2, which is a major bottom of the funnel keyword. Can you see? SEO rank tracking. We have track keyword rank. We have keyword position tracker. These are bottom of the funnel keywords that Winchell can use to generate revenue for their brand, for their agency. And each of these keywords have their keyword clusters, which have been extracted here: the search intent, keyword difficulty, internal links, and external links. So peradventure you don't have the time and expertise to create something like this, a structured topic cluster like this. A content strategist that work with startups budget. I want startups to generate revenue. I want them to generate the result they demand. So that's why I ensure that I tailor my strategy to work with their budget, and I ensure that every topic cluster I create, I also create relevant, a well-detailed content brief that their writers can use to create a structured content that rank, content that generates revenue, and content that generates the result they want. So if you want a topic cluster like this and you want my content briefs, my DM is wide open to you, and I'll be glad to work with your budget. I look forward to hearing from you. In my next post, I'm going to create a structured, a detailed video on how I extract relevant keywords with SEMrush from Reddit and how I turn those keywords into topic cluster. So watch out.